Hello everyone, we are from RKS415 with our title being SOC Lanjutan 4, and this is our final assessment for this fourth semester. We are from Cybersecurity Engineering Night A. Before we start, I'd like to introduce our team members. We have 5 people here. We have first up is Bayu Febriyo as our web developer, Mahardhika as our security engineer, Nehemia Gamaliel, Situmorang as our web developer, Hasbi Alfarizi as our security engineer as well, and then lastly, we have me as the leader of this project, Gabriel Manurung, being the SOC analyst. Okay, first up, I'd like to discuss about the overview of this project. So this project focuses to develop a centralized CM environment using Wazuh for security monitoring and cyber defense activities. And then we make this project to have the system designed to collect and process and analyze logs from multiple components. And then the architecture enables centralized monitoring through the Wazuh dashboard, where security alerts and also suspicious activities can be analyzed in real time. And then lastly, we have attack and defense simulations. This project contains attack and defense to test the effectiveness of threat detection and incident monitoring.
So this is our blueprint or topology in this project. I divided into several VLAN depend on the service that runs. On VLAN 10, there's a web application. On VLAN 20 is full CM. On VLAN 30 is for our main database, and for VLAN 40 is for the backup database, and the VLAN 50 is for our internal user, which VLAN 20 is isolated, that cannot be reached in any network except from VPN that only SOC analysts that can access.
I will explain the technology stack used in our project. Our technology stack is divided into 3 categories: security, application, and infrastructure. For the security layer, we use Wazuh as our CM platform to monitor security event, Iris for incident response management, and Virus Total to analyze suspicious file and indicator of compromise. For the application layer, we use Angular to build front-end, Nest.js to develop the backend API, and PostgreSQL as our database management system. Finally, for the infrastructure layer, we use OpenSense as the firewall, Nginx as the web server, and Resource Proxy and VLAN segmentation to improve network security by separating different network segments. Together, these technologies provide a secure, reliable, and scalable system.
Our system is designed to help business manage their inventory, sales, purchasing, and user administration in one integrated platform. It consists of 4 main modules: inventory control, sales and retail, supply chain, and administration. This is the landing page of our application. It introduces InventPro and gives user an overview of the system. This is the login page. User enter their username and password to access the system. To improve security, we also implement multi-factor authentication. This is the main dashboard. It provides quick overview of the business, including inventory statistics, stock status, and multi-stock movement. User can also monitor product categories and access all system modules through the navigation menu on the left.
The project has successfully reached 100% complete, and all components are now fully implemented, which include Wazuh, OpenSense with Iris configuration, full-stack front-end and back-end development, database design, and attack defense simulation. All system has been fully integrated, ensuring the project is highly secure and ready for development.
Okay, we are moving on to our progress, which contains our logbook. This is the first page of our logbook because we have a few more of this progression. We have 1 to 16 numbers of progress of our logbook, as you can see here. We start from planning and then continue on to design and then implementation, which goes from 4% to 48%, as you can see here. And then for the second page of our logbook, it contains from number 17th to 32nd. We have from implementation, operation, and then lastly is the analysis, which goes from 50% to 95%, which I will make it eventually to 100% after this presentation. And after everything has been discussed, our next plan and conclusion is to improve our dashboard visualization, expand the threat detection rules, integrate additional threat intelligence sources. And after doing all of that, our summary or conclusion for this project is to evaluate from all recommendations for the future, which we have to continue on working from all of the evaluation that we get from this semester to make sure that the application and this project works flawlessly and correctly and strengthen the attack and defense of our project. Okay, that's it for this presentation. We are from RKS415 with our title being SOC Lanjutan 4. Thank you, everyone.